Tonight we're gonna making some snack here. I'm actually gonna be cooking tofu in my air fryer. Sorry you don't see my face, and basically what we have here is cornstarch. What I did here, I cut them into cubes and then I try to dry them as much. You can put it in the strainer, on the strainer, and let it dry to get out the water as much as you can. Cooking oil, salt, garlic. Of course, you can add different kind of spices that you like. Black pepper, some brown sugar, and I'm gonna make it really simple. Basically, I'm gonna sprinkle this ingredient in here, except cornstarch. We'll sprinkle it at the end. Gonna be using this bowl here. So let's get started. Put this here. It's not very nice the way I cut it. You can cut it as small as you like. So it might be a little bit bigger than what I like to be, but we'll see how it goes. All right, and it broke up a little bit, so that's okay. So I'm gonna be putting in garlic here, powder, and then I'm gonna stir it around as much as you can. A little bit of salt, not too much. Pepper, as much as you like. And a little bit of sugar. I'll add a little more salt, a little bit. Okay, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and gently stir this up a little bit here. Hopefully it doesn't break up. All right, it might be better if you put it in a big plastic bag and then you can kind of marinate it. I'm not gonna keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cook it right away. I'm gonna add, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of oil right now. And then I'm gonna sprinkle it with cornstarch. Smell okay. Very simple recipe. Now, some people will put like soy sauce in here and oyster sauce, some other spice, scallions, whatever you like. Actually, this is sugar, I'm sorry, sugar powder. Yeah, it's better. Almost put sugar in there and ruin my tofu. Go ahead and I bought this from 99 Rand Asian market for like $1 something. So it's fairly cheap. Get a spoon here. We sprinkle this on top. Gonna stir it around here a little bit. It will help to make it a little bit crispy. All right. I want to touch this too much and break up the tofu. So can always put a little bit more. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the air fryer. Setting it around 360 or so, and I'm going to go ahead and I already preheat this. I'm going to go ahead and you can also oil the pan a little bit here, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And you know, probably give it like 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna come back and check halfway to make sure it's not you know, burn or anything. I'll be right back in a few minutes. For the sauce, I'm gonna be eating it with this this is for like chicken maploy. I'm gonna, because just for substitute, normally they have a little bit different kind of sweet sauce for this, but I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna actually crush the peanuts here. Okay, you can use you can also cut a little bit of cilantro or scallion, put it on top. Maybe a little bit of chili or sriracha sauce if you like. And maybe that should be enough. So go ahead and ground floor. All right. Okay, that should be good enough. Go ahead and pour it in. And then a little bit of thick, a little bit in. That should be enough. More than enough. You can add a little bit of a sour sauce like sriracha sauce if you like. Or maybe I'll add a little bit sriracha, or even Cholula. Why not, right? A little bit of sourness to it. Okay. Stir it up a little bit. Get a spoon here. Don't seem to grab it. Okay, here we go. I might put a little bit too much peanuts, but I love peanuts anyway. You can put a little bit more sauce here you like. but it is plenty just for dipping. Or you can use soy sauce, but it's, you know, too salty for me. You want something a little bit sweet here. This is kind of like a Thai style thing. Again, to make it look nice, you can put, you can cut some cilantro. Sorry about that. Put it in here. So that's my sauce, dipping sauce. This is almost done. I don't want to turn it over too much because it might break, but I think next time I will cut it a little bit smaller. Okay. Maybe cook it for a couple more minutes and it should be ready. Actually, it's pretty crispy, but like I say, I should make it a little bit smaller for faster cooking, but tend to be crispy from the outside. Looks good. So here you have it. Very crispy. Well, try it out and enjoy and create your own recipe. I'm gonna put my simple ingredients underneath, but let me try all of this. See what it looks like. It's pretty good. Could use more salt, but it's fine. It goes well with the sweetness of the sauce here. Pretty crispy. Crispy, I mean. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you folks on the next video. Appreciate it. Have a great day.